Hello Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you. It is Aragorn, the Hunter of the Plains, classic series by Weta Workshop. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get right into it, right out of the box. Stand up here. It's a tall box too, so. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful box. As you can see, pretty cool box. Very beautiful. I love these art boxes that they do now. The picture in the middle, all that. And yep, and they have the flap here again for all the read up and everything when you get the box. I love that part. And it's magnetized. So let's get her out of this art box. Take a bit there. Lift this ever so gently. Perfect. This again. This over here. That right there. Okay. And now the base. So this is a little bit different from the other ones. The base comes separate. The other ones come together. And this is sculpted by Daniel Cockersell, as you can see there. And a pretty cool base, as you can see. The foot with the prints from the feet. Okay, and now let's grab Aragorn. This is cool, guys. Oh my god, this is very cool. Just be careful how you grab them. Looks a little bit fragile, but not bad. Ah, perfect. Kiwinin, very, very nice. I like it when it does that. Oh, and then his bow. Bow and quiver. And I think, yeah, that goes with that. Ah, nice strong magnet. Yeah, this is very, very cool, guys. I really like this. This is a very, very nice piece. Very cool. And the likeness of them, not bad, not 100%, but it is Aragorn. And it is when he's Strider. And he, very, very cool. And I can see he has his hand with his sword and then his bow on the back, but his hand is enclosed on this one. I wish he had his knife in his other hand, and that would have been even better. Otherwise than that, this is a very, very cool piece. And then this is 8 inches wide. And he stands about 15 inches tall, maybe just 14.5 inches tall, really. And the depth, as you can see, it's 8 inches. Let's see here. Yeah, 8 inches depth and wide. So I like that. So it's not really of a space hog or anything like that. And it's a very, very cool statue. I really like this piece. And I've always wanted to get an Aragorn. And this is a really, really nice one. So I'm going to show you some close-ups of this one right now. So I'll show you some close-ups. So here's an overview again. A little bit better overview of Aragorn. Very, very cool piece. And so you show you some close-ups now. Like I said, the portrait is not spot on, like 100%, but I'd probably say it's 75-80% Vigo. Pretty cool piece. And then you can see the elven brooch here. And then his clothes and cloak. I really like the texture of the base. This is really, really cool. I really like that. But you can see his, and then his Strider sword with scabbard. Pretty cool. And then this his quiver and his bow just clipped in nicely with the strong magnet. And then his hair, pretty darn cool, pretty awesome. And then his cloak, weathered from his travels on the bottom. I really like how they're some of the bases that they have been doing with the rock or whatever, which I find is a little extra feature, little bonus for us collectors. So you can see the elven brooch there, and then a little bit better portrait there for you. And then you can see, I think that's the ring of Era here that he's wearing there. You can see what I mean. He's holding the sword in one hand. I would have liked to seen his knife in the other. They could have probably put that in as an extra. That would have been pretty cool. And then he'd be able to put it in his hand. Yeah, just overall, I really like this Aragorn here. But I do agree, the Aragorn from Aemon Hen is spot on. A lot better likeness to it. I really like his cloak here. And then on the bottom, it's like all weathered from all his travels. I like the texture of the rock. Sedimentary / shale rock. I really like his bow. And then you can see it has a rope for his where he pulls back on his string, all wrapped up around his bow. And then his gauntlets, his arm protection, and then his belt and belt buckle. All that. This is I really like this. This is really, really cool. I really like the sword with the scabbard on this too. Pretty dark. It's a pretty cool. Yeah, but that's Aragorn, Hunter of the Plains from the classic series by Weta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Aragorn Hunter of the Plains Classic Series. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Comment down below what you guys thought of them. And see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for lots more videos coming up.